Hey, what's up everyone? It's Stijn here coming to you from my home in Amsterdam. Welcome to the second episode of our series on creating a web hosting company. Today we're diving into the setup and discussing the different ways you can implement this business model and how to get started. Okay, quick disclaimer, I'm not going to teach you how to do the SEO or SEA in this video, but trust me, once you get through this whole process, you'll find it pretty easy to learn. Plus, these services bring in a lot of cash, so it's good to look into these terms. Okay, let's break down the different services we're gonna offer to our clients. First, we have what we just talked about, the marketing services, SEO and SEA. We can offer SEO and SEA services to help our clients boost their online presence and drive more traffic to their websites. This is a fantastic add-on service that can significantly increase the revenue that you receive from this client on a monthly basis. Also, we have the domain registrations. We can sell domain registrations. This is a fundamental service for anyone looking to establish an online presence. It's also possible to, if you have clients that already have a website, to move their domain from the previous provider to your own. So it's just some extra bucks you receive from these domain registrations. Then we have web hosting packages. Naturally, we offer, of course, we will offer a variety of web hosting packages, from basic shared hosting to more advanced options. This because we can cater to the different clients' needs and budget, ensuring we have something for everyone and every business size. And then my personal favorite, it's the all-in package. This is also the preferred one. It's my personal favorite and also the most lucrative option. It's this bundle includes all the above. So the web hosting and additional services like security features, or it's the ultimate convenience for clients, providing everything they need in one place and maximizing our revenue potential in the process. Then, to show you how it will look in the end for clients if they visit your store or web hosting company on the internet. Here you see I'm offering these 3 packages. I made it so if we have like 40 clients, you're already quite set. So that's also currently my goal. I'm currently having 6, and we have still some in the pipeline. So it's looking good, and we all have it in we have 3 currently in 80, and we have 3 in 40. So this is all monthly revenues, and I'm almost done with building all these sites. So from there on, it's almost like easy money printing. Okay, so if somebody wants to like buy something, they go, of course, to hosting, or they can go from here. If they say, hey, I want an all-in partner package, they can register their domain. We do some random. Oh, we see this one is not available. Okay, it's available. Perfect. We continue, or we move our domain that is already registered at another provider. We can move it also through here. Or we can also have our domain provider somewhere else registered and just point that domain to our hosting services, so people can still buy their hosting services from us and still use their domain that they have registered somewhere else. These are just details, but it's good to be able to offer all 3. Okay, so we have the domain that we want to use. Then we have to pay. Okay, perfect. 179, expensive as fuck. But hey, perfect. You see we also have the VAT included, which is important for taxes. Then people can create an account, even with Google. And then they just can pay with simple payments, like for me, it's Ideal. For some others, PayPal Basic, and through PayPal we can also pay with credit cards. From here on, if somebody registers, they will be sent a payment request every month, so you don't have to like keep things up. And also, if people don't pay, their shit will be automatically cancelled, so you won't waste resources on people that don't pay, I guess. So this is what we're gonna build. So from here on, we are gonna use the VPS that we bought. I rebought my current package, especially for this video. So give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, because it actually cost me money. I also place a referral code, so if you think about actually implementing all of this, please use my referral code. I'm using Hostinger, but in the essence you can get your VPS from anywhere, of course. So from here on we choose our operating system. We can choose a plain one, then we have to install our cPanel on it, but we can also, Hostinger provides it, already install it with cPanel. It's easy, so just do that. Okay, so now our VPS is installed. We actually continue by going to panel access over here, or you can just put in your search, you can put in your IP address that you got from your hosting provider, and this double thingy, and then 208078 for the port. Okay, we go that. We go root. This is the same for you. This is your username. And we go, for me, like this. Hey, perfect. Now we have cPanel and WHM. Now we can, I have agreed. Perfect. We change our name servers to the domain that we want to use. For this video I'm gonna use this domain, but for you this will be different. So let's just put in NS1 and NS2 and your domain. Yeah, perfect. Let's also add our email that is coupled to this. So for me that's that. Perfect. Now we save settings. And now we have our first WHM, or we have our WHM panel. Now we're gonna tweak some things here. We're gonna go to basic web host manager setup. We can, it's good for you to fill in all these things, but I'm not gonna do that currently because I'm not gonna use this. But it's really good if you like fill in these basic web host manager setup. Then we go to the name server. We change that here as well. So ns2.open, creative.com, save changes. Perfect. Then we have our basic config. We make sure that this is set to the IP that we received from our web host. Also make sure your IP6 is the same. So our IP6 we can see. What the fuck? Oh yeah, here. Then we click here combined. Make sure this is enabled. Are there some other? Yeah, like this. Perfect. So we click save changes. Then we go to time. Server time, yep. We make sure this is all on mine. So for me this is Europe, Amsterdam. Change time zone. Perfect. Then we have our accounts that we are gonna create. So we're gonna create our first account. Create new account. We set this to the domain that we have configured. Yep. We go to reseller settings for only this domain, and we enable this. Oh, I made an error. I have no clue if it's like this. And we've created our first cPanel. Yay! Very good. Now we go to the cPanel, advanced, accept the risk and continue. We skip this part. We will skip this part too. We can install really easy. So we can also like white label this. So currently this is not white labeled. You see cPanel here and cPanel here. But on my version it's actually white labeled. So I've added my own logo here. I think you can actually even do that from here. Yeah, cPanel configuration. Is that somewhere we can? But we're not gonna install it now. Let's do that on a different episode. Now we're just gonna set it up. So we're installing WordPress on opencreative.com. So we install. We have to wait a bit. In the meantime, we can actually go to File Manager. We can go to Public HTML. We can go to, and then we can create the, first, really important, we have to go to the, okay, to continue, we go to PHP here. We go Easy Apache 4. We go to Customize. Then we will look for PHP extensions, I'm pretty sure. And then we will look here for IronCube. Yeah. So we say IronCube 12 will probably do. And then next. And then we keep it for here. Do we see IronCube here? Probably. Okay, we let this install, done. Loading. Okay. Now we have to check. Okay, I quickly logged in through the SSH to check if IronCube is loaded. You check that through PHP version and it's loaded with IronCube. So now we have actually set up all the things that we need to download WHM. So we go to WHMCS.com. We click in. So we go login. I log in through my own account. There we have my account here. So you have to create your account here. Download the stable version. Here it's gonna download. Guys, this is so much work. I've been working on this. I thought I will set it up within 10 minutes, but I've been doing this for 4 hours right now. So please, if you managed to make it this far into the episode, please give me a thumbs up. It's really appreciated to continue this work. Also, if there's any questions, just drop it down in the comments. So we have downloaded it. Then we go to public HTML, and then inside of here, inside here, we're gonna upload the file that we just downloaded. And when this is done, you're actually set up So if you manage it to go to all the way, then you've actually managed to, yeah, here it is. And you've actually managed to install all the things needed. And from here on, in the next episode, we can actually go and customize it to our own needs. So if everything is working correctly, I can do this right now. And there we go. It's in front of my, so you can see here, welcome to WHMCS. From here on, you can just click here to begin, go through all this, begin installation, enter your license key. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was clear. Okay, guys, that was the second episode already. As you guys can see on the light, it's dark right now, so please give me a thumbs up for this episode. If you guys want to see more, probably somewhere this week I'm gonna upload the third one, and then we are gonna customize this whole operation. But for now, it's alright. So see you guys in the next one. Join the Discord, it's in the description. Use the affiliate links that I've put in, please. Would help me out a lot. And see you guys. Ciao.